Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will cook a delicious duck leg with vegetables in our wood-fired oven. So stay tuned. For this recipe we will use a variety of vegetables, but first we wash them. When done, we add some duck fat to our ceramic bowl. We always recommend to everyone to use a ceramic bowl for the wood-fired oven, because the flavor profile of the meat and the vegetables is much better. Next, we slice some sweet potatoes in big chunks. When done, we slice the carrots. We season with salt and ground black pepper. We add the duck legs on top. Next, we season our duck with our special spice blend. If you are looking for the exact amounts, let us know in the comments below. We continue by cleaning the champignon mushrooms and we cut them in half. We add them to the bowl and we top it with a small amount of broccoli. For extra flavor, we add the sliced white onion and the zucchini. We season them with some salt, ground black pepper, and as a last step, we add some crushed garlic. We will cook it for roughly 2 hours. The time is almost up and the vegetables are tender, so we let it roast without the lid on for 15 minutes. This way, the meat gets a nice golden brown color. This is an amazing recipe which is perfect for a big gathering. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.